Hello viewers, welcome back to another session. In this video, we are going to find one train question on train. So that is question is, a train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed, and if the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less. Okay, for the same journey. Okay, the journey is 360 kilometers. Okay, from one place to another place. Find the speed of the train he asking us to find. Here, total journey is how much? 360 kilometers is the total journey. Okay, so uniform speed, let uniform speed uniform speed will take it as x kilometers per hour, and if the speed had been increased 5 kilometers per hour more, so it will be x plus 5 kilometers per hour will come here. X plus 5 kilometers per hour will come to cover the total distance of 360. Now time taken, so here time taken for uniform speed to cover the 360 kilometers is equal to 360 divided by x will come. This is the time. 360 means total journey divided by the speed is equal to, we will get as a time for taken for the uniform speed. And after that, so time taken for the 5 kilometers more. 5 kilometers more. So time taken. So time taken for 5 kilometers more, it will become 360 divided by x plus 5 will come here. So from the question we can make it as 360 divided by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5 is equal to one total journey we will take here, like this. So from this I will common 360 from both one, so it will become so here 1 will remain, here also 1 will remain, so I will do cross multiplication. LCM will come as x into x plus 5 will come here in the denominator, and here x plus 5 will come here, and minus this x is there now, this will goes to the right side of the equation, it will become x will come here is equal to 1 will be there. So plus x and minus x will be get cancelled here. So 360 into 5 will remain in the numerator, this is 360 and this is 5 will remain, and divided by this x into x square will come here, plus x into 5 5x will come here is equal to 1 will be there. So from this we can write it as in the form of x square plus 5x. So this is goes to the right side of the equation, it will 1 into x square plus 5x will come here is equal to this 360 into how much here 5. 360 into 5 is equal to how much will come here answer. Here how much will come? 360 into 800 will come 1800. So 1800 will I bring to the left side of the equation, it will become how much will come here? X square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0 will come. So we have to split the term here to find the x coordinate. So here to split means how much we have to take here. So do some any like 45 into 40 or 35 into 35 like we can do. So subtract करे तो कितना आता? So here 45 minus 40 is equal to 5, and 45 into 40 also we can find it as 1800. So this is if multiply to 1800 will come. If add if you subtract it to, so it will become 5 will come here. So we'll take it as x square plus how much will take 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equal to 0. So from these two terms we have to common x, and x plus 45 will remain here, and here minus will 40 will common, so it will become x plus 45 will come here. So x minus 41 value will come here is equal to 0, x minus x plus 45 is equal to 0 1 value will come here. So from this x is equal to 41 answer will come here, x is equal to minus 45 answer will come here from these two terms. So we'll take positive values only. So we take x is equal to 40 value. This uniform speed of the like train uniform speed is how much here? 40 kilometers per hour, and 5 kilometers if more, though it will become 45 kilometers will come here. So these are the answer of given question here. So please guys do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.